Do you spend lots of your precious time testing and producing valuable data when a PCB comes in for repair? Sometimes you need to use many test instruments and measurement types while looking at lots of documents to try and find where the fault lies. And when you find it, do you remember how you got there? Wouldn't it be great to go back in time and find out? Let's think about your troubleshooting process. Repair engineers generally spend 80% of their time setting up test instruments and only 20% actually testing and troubleshooting the PCB. This cycle happens every time a board comes in for repair. It's time to put aside this once and for all, this slow, inefficient fault-finding operation. ABI's TestFlow, which is part of System 8 software, can dramatically improve your repair processes, increasing the efficiency of your troubleshooting strategy while at the same time protecting your data. With TestFlow, the instrument will only need to be set up once, meaning 100% of the engineer's time will be dedicated to finding what's wrong with the PCB. Once the process is completed, a comprehensive report will provide detailed information of your test results. The TestFlow will not only speed up your repair processes by recording each step and action you take, the risk of taking inaccurate measurements when the next similar PCB comes in will be greatly reduced. You'll find out that the whole operation has become much simpler and quicker. Here's what else you can do. You can easily store results, keeping the files locally or in the cloud. You can share technical knowledge among your team locally or worldwide. You can use your creativity and quickly customize each step with media-rich content such as video tutorials, photos, schematics, documents and more. You'll no longer need to go with handwritten notes to remind yourself of how to manage the PCB testing. Combine function of special test instruments together and you'll have your own virtual test station ready whenever you need it. Have you ever wondered how it could be possible to improve security, increase scalability, as well as reliability, without compromising the efficiency in your business? ABI's TestFlow is the centerpiece that will bring them all together, giving you full control over new and existing processes.